Hello everyone. Today I will introduce a galvanometer welding machine to you. Its appearance is similar to that of a platform welding machine, but the welding head is different. This is a visual camera. Through the monitor you can see the details of the welding. This is the galvanometer part. This is the blowing system device, which is used to blow remove residue or dust next to illuminated LED lights. This welding machine has a tooling fixture specially for welding batteries, which can be customized according to needs. This welding machine has a 3-axis drive. The X-axis moves left and right, the Y-axis moves forward and backward, and the Z-axis moves up and down. This is a safety detection device. When the machine is working, if an object touches the infrared detection range, the machine will stop working immediately. The software control is integrated. You only need to edit the motion trajectory in the software, and the machine will weld according to the program, which is more convenient, fast, and efficient in welding batteries. If you are interested in this machine, follow us and get more information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.